This is your window of opportunity for tech tidbits.
Welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday with BC Tech for Learning. Today, I'm going to be going over some keyboard shortcuts that anyone can use for speedy management of your windows in Windows 10. So, I'll start by pressing Windows 3 to open up the third app that I have pinned in my bottom taskbar. In this case, it's Notepad. Now, I can hold Windows and use my arrow keys to quickly maximize or minimize a window or send it to a particular half or corner of my screen. Now, I want to generate some clutter, so I'm going to press Windows Shift 3 to open up even more Notepad windows. I can do this as many times as I like, as long as I'm holding Shift. But suddenly I want to see my desktop. How do I do that? It's very simple. Just press Windows D to minimize all of your open windows. You can undo that by just pressing Windows D again to bring them right back up. Similarly, if I want to minimize everything except the window I'm currently working in, I can press Windows Home. Just like with Windows D, I can press it again to bring those ones back up. Now, if you want to get a bird's eye view of all of your open windows, you can press Windows Tab for the Task View function. You can see here that I'm able to select any window I may please, or just press Escape to cancel out of that. Last and certainly not least, we have the Alt-Tab function, where you hold Alt and press Tab until you've selected the window that you want to get to, and then release Alt to open it up.